Hey folks, it's Logger John here, and I'm just heading down the highway, and it's Saturday, July the 16th. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm heading to Athens, Ontario. It's a small town in eastern Ontario, and you're probably wondering why I'm heading to Athens, Ontario. The last time I was in Athens, Ontario was 2019, and I'm heading back. It's 2022, of course, and I'm heading to the tractor show. Antique tractor show, antique tractor pull. There's like a car show and a bunch of other stuff there. I'm just heading there now. I'm almost there. I'm about less than 10 minutes away. It's about a half an hour, 35-minute drive from my house in Perth. And I'm just heading through Plum Hollow. Little place called Plum Hollow right here. Got some nice farms. Just heading up here. So we'll see you at Athens. What we got here? Got an old fire truck. Athens Fire Department. This is their newest truck that they just bought. I'm just kidding. Look at this old girl. I wonder what year it is. Check out the back. It might, well, it doesn't say. I thought maybe it would say it on the license plate. It's gotta be from the 30s, I would say. And we got lots of big rigs. Got some big rigs over here. Look at this tow truck. $1959 it says on the license plate. The Mack B81 thermodyne diesel. Thermodyne diesel. I'm not really sure what that means, but look at this beast. I could skid some wood out of the bush with this thing. That's a beast. Wow. And we got another big rig. Lots of big rigs. You can see all the big rigs over there. We got Macks, another Mack. Well, I guess they're all Macks right here. This is some of Tackleberry's construction company. He owns all these. Look at this beauty. Oh, look at this. Cab over. Huh. This isn't Tackleberry's truck, these guys. This guy here is from, says Florida, Sanford, Florida. Huh. We got another beauty here. Tackleberry. Marmon. Marmon? I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but never heard of that kind of rig before, but and we have a whole bunch over here too. Let's go check out some tractors. We got some International W6. And then we have which looks like a Super C, Farmall Super C. Narrow front end. Could use a paint job probably, but. And then we have an Oliver. Not sure what number that is. Oliver, I don't know if it says Oliver 66 maybe? Not sure. And then we have some, you can just see a big rig coming in on the highway with about 4 tractors on it, 5 tractors coming in for the tractor pull. Look at these, all these miniature tractors. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Look at all these miniature. You can see the size. There's my hand on this tire. That's pretty cool. Half-size models. This guy's from Lunenburg, Ontario. Not sure where Lunenburg is. Oh, he's got an Alice Chalmers D21. He's got a little seed drill. Oh, he's got a Farmall 450. Now that's pretty sweet. He's got a little, looks like a Briggs & Stratton motor in there. That's pretty sweet. Got a Cockshut 30. It's got a Briggs & Stratton motor too, I think. And then he's got a thrashing machine. That's crazy. The amount of engineering and work in these tractors is unbelievable, actually. It's even got a hitch in the back that lifts, hydraulic lift. Oh, what do we got here? A Pioneer 1074. Oh, that's heavy. All for sale, this stuff here. Oh, we got some, look at these guys. A Super 250 McCullough. And then we got a Still 031 AV. Got some more chainsaws down there. Got a Husqvarna. Another Husqvarna.
Got an oil leak there or what? That's so you can't sit on it. That's so you can't sit on it. So how you doing?
This guy's keeping the mosquitoes away. Got the 2-smoke oil going on here. Woo. Come on over here, we'll check out some more stuff. Got some chainsaws over here. Look at these guys.
Yeah, so this is like it's an earlier I think he's from the lanes, right? So something happened here with the clutch cover, something bounced it all out, and then that's custom. What do you mean? I'll probably change the muffler eventually. It probably has a big round chrome one, or the little block. I don't have one here with the little block. It's just that little. Yeah. So it could have been either one.
So the last show we were at was Lang, just north of Rice Lake, and there was a guy there from the Pioneer Village, and they got all their own tractors. They have a steam engine.
That's pretty cool collection.
Oil tractors.
More over here.
Oil tractor. And this thing just was popping out smoke like that all
Got a Massey Ferguson chainsaw. Two Massey Ferguson chainsaws.
over here with these two tractor engines. Literally, he spent
Massey Ferguson 370A. And then over here we have some Ford chainsaws.
mob of bloody smoke. And he was burning, I don't
Got
know,
an Echo,
electricity poles or something. I don't know.
a John Deere.
Idiots.
And then up here we have some Ford. That's pretty cool.
They're just like big scale models, aren't they? Yeah, that's what. Alright, so we can buy some soil.
How are you?
Oh yeah, okay.
Got an Alice Chalmer. Looks like it's gonna be a nice day.
Yeah,
Hey, warm.
so far this year it's been hot in the daytime, nice and cool at night.
Yeah, I know.
Perfect so far.
Good weather for the garden. It's been a couple of years since we've been down here.
3 years, 2 years of nothing.
Yeah. You got any other shows you're going to after this, or?
Went to Lang,
Oh yeah, Lang.
Pioneer
Yeah.
Village. And,
Yeah. Was there a few years back? But...
there's one in a couple of weeks there, kind of a private get together up in Western Ontario.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Where are you out of?
I'm just Sealy's Bay.
Oh, you're in Sealy's Bay.
Or Southwestern
Yeah.
Bay. Joe's Peterborough. Couple lads from Coburg.
Yeah. We got some more saws here. We got some toy ones right here. Little toy saws. We got this big guys here. McCullough and Poulin. Look at this beast. Just still 051. And then we have different variety. Look at all the axes. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got some broad axes, double bit axes. Oh, look at these guys here. Look at these electric chainsaws. Look at this. Plug them in. Well, this one here. Look at this here. Now this looks really dangerous. It's like a skill saw with a chainsaw bar on it with a chain. That looks very dangerous. But look at this guy here. These aren't electric, these are air. Run off a compressor, air. No hydraulic. Not really sure how that works. Hydraulic lines. They'd have to work off a hydraulic compressor or something. They work those. There's another one. That's interesting. Interesting. Well, let's go check out some more tractors. Here comes an Oliver down the track here. We got a Farmall C here. Here goes an Oliver 77. Standard 77. Farmall C.
He did have a set that were only going for his day, but I think
We got some big hit and miss engines. Oh, we got some miniature steam engines here. Look at this guy. It's like a miniature steam engine. Pretty interesting. That's pretty cool. could hang some meat up here and smoke it. Hang some meat off there and smoke your meat. Burns firewood. That's pretty cool. Oh, this guy's got some coal. He's burning coal in this one. Got a big bucket of coal. That's pretty cool. Put it in there. Pretty neat. It's like a pump. A water pump.
Are you getting 81 milligrams right now? No, I'm just. I do have a couple. I do have to stick some of that stuff in the car.
Hello.
Hey,
How are you?
pretty good.
You build all that stuff, or? Oh, he built it all.
Him
Yeah.
and his dad built some of that.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. It's pretty cool. Is that coal over there? Is that actual coal that they're burning? I guess so.
On the far one down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty nice.
With me, there's that
Yeah, Jimmy
artery
built
that
the
goes
first one down
around
there.
Yeah.
Cracked some
You
steam
got,
in.
well, your four
Yeah.
arteries. There's like three kind of like.
Now, does it move on its own? Yeah.
And on the one, on like the first branch.
It'll be a hot day. It's hot
It is,
already.
yeah.
There's a little spot that you said was like 80.
Here comes a truck with a cock shut 60. We have a case tractor. Oh, here's the first Minneapolis mow line, 335. That's pretty neat. Well, we're going to try to fire this engine up here. A 5 horsepower Stickney.
Oh, and they'd have to turn it over.
See if they can get it running here. Oh, here they're gonna go. There it goes. There it goes. That's pretty cool, eh? Get her going there. What was it used for originally? What did they have it on?
Pumping water, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Maybe milking, I don't know.
Yeah.
And back to do little pipe that says water pump.
Oh yeah. Did you restore it, did you? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I was thinking that too.
I got another one at home too, but price tag.
This yours too, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my son's the case.
Did you restore this guy, or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it said that's what it was supposed to be this year, the Minneapolis.
Yeah.
But don't see too many. That's it.
No. No, even in the day around here, they're
Yeah.
not. They're more Masseys and
Yeah. Farmall, yeah, John Deere.
International Farmall. That was a big one.
One year they had Minneapolis.
Yeah.
There's quite a few showed up, but
Yeah.
but there's other shows going on too, I guess. Did you find this somewhere, did you? Did you find it somewhere and restored it, or?
Oh God, I'm trying to remember. I've had it for so long, and I forget. Oh geez, I had a 37 horse Blackstone diesel.
Oh, a diesel.
Yeah, and I think maybe that was part of the deal. I got 2 or 3 engines.
Oh.
Diesel. That was one of them. But that's your typical hit and miss.
Yeah. Kind of like that, just outside of Perth.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Just
Oh, not too,
right on 29.
not too far away.
Not too far away.
Would they have used that engine?
Hey?
What would they have used that engine?
Yeah. So this here would be your hook onto the pump, like onto your, like that thing going around there.
Well, that's the governor.
That's the governor. So where?
There would have been a belt on those.
Oh, a belt
Put a
would go on it. Okay.
Light pulley on
Oh,
it.
I see. Yeah. On the other side.
Them big piston pumps.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
So that.
I lived over on Powell Island in St. George, and they had this pump. All them islands on this taking that pump engines.
Yeah.
Houses, and they have them big pistons. They pump the water over the river. They pump it up maybe up to the highest hill, maybe 100 feet. Right in the front of my place. Yeah, you can push it, and they push that water 2,000 feet. And right up in the high hill, 2 water towers, and they fill them water towers, and then everything would be gravity fed.
So that's your governor, you said.
Yeah.
That's your governor. Keep it. Okay, I see. Oh, yeah. That's interesting. You know the year roughly, or?
1913, I think.
1913, right? Wow. If you get some of the new stuff to run that long, eh? That many years, you'd be happy, eh? Lucky to get 3 or 4 years out of it. We got a rusty cockshut, 30. And then we'll go over here, see what's over here. We got some more hit and miss engines over here. We got an old truck. We have F100, 1956 Ford F100. And then we got some, that's pretty sweet. It's got the wooden bed in it. And we got some hit and miss engines here. We got some chainsaws, home light chainsaws. It's all home light.
That's super cool. Do you, hey, do you ever work on, like,
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, we got some John Deere. We got a John Deere AR, a John Deere D, a John Deere 40. Our neighbor had a John Deere 40. Yeah, my dad used to cut hay with the. He used to get it. Oh, I used to help my neighbor cut hay with it. It was a John Deere 40. But if you look at the steering wheel, look how straight it is. It's like 90 degrees. My dad said they were a great little tractor to cut hay with. Yeah. Good shape. And then we have a John Deere M. Right here. And then over here we have a Massey Harris 102. Senior Twin Power 102. It's a big tractor. And then we have a beautiful Super C tractor here. Just gorgeous. Absolutely Beautiful. That's really nice. So now I think I'm going to walk over here and check out some more tractors and then make my way over to the tractor pull area. See what's going on over there. Oh, I hear a chainsaw. Okay guys, I'll see you in a few minutes. Making my way over here. We got a Farm All A with a plow in the back here. You got a 1-furrow plow. And then we got a big, we're getting into some of the bigger tractors here. We got an International 686. It's a nice big tractor. And then we have an International 1206. And then we have a 1206 4-wheel drive. This is a big tractor. Wow, these are big guys. It's got the Wheatland, I think they call these Wheatland fenders on them. There's no 3-point hitch on this one. And then we have another 1206. And then we have another, we have a 766 here. Wow. A 544. It's a gas. This guy's a gas tractor. Ooh, that would suck up the gas. And a 450 Farm All. Oh, we have a little Ford here. An 861 Powermaster Ford. Sitting back here we have a Massey Harris. Not sure of the number. Oh, 22. Massey Harris 22. It's got brand new tires in the back. Some boats. We got a pink Jeep. That's pretty cool. We got a big rig coming in over there.
That's what I said, that's Mom's chair.
Oh, I am listening.
A big rig backing in. We got some pickups here. This is pretty sweet. We got a Mack. Another Mack. That's pretty nice.
There, it's working. Okay. But then nobody ever told me what it was.
It's the same at home. Sherry came, my daughter.
Dump truck, GMC. Okay, well, I'm gonna head over this way.
Well, we're about two of
We got a school bus here. Well, it's not really a school bus, but coach line, 1957. That's pretty sweet. Some more big rigs. They're actually having a big rig show here in August. Not sure if I'm going to go. I went one year. It was pretty cool. It was all big rigs. What do we got here? Oh, here's the truck show. Here it's advertised. But what's in here? Oh, we got some little miniature race cars. That's pretty cool. We got a race car in the back here. That's pretty cool. Little race car. It has like a V8, small block V8 Ford, I guess, in that. It's just powered by Ford. Huh. And then we got a cattle hauler here. I don't know if there's any real cows in this or not. There might be. Let's go check out and see if there's any cows. Huh. Oh, he looks kind of mad. Oh, there's some, oh, there's a pig up there, and then we have some Holstein cows up there. But thank goodness that they're fake, especially this guy. He looks mean. Okay, where are we heading to now?